Number 1. A 1989 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D, currently listed in Gallatin, Tennessee, for $20,000. At first glance, this might look like a typical Fox body Mustang, but underneath the cement gray exterior lies a highly modified performance machine built for serious horsepower enthusiasts. This Mustang is powered by a Gen 3 5.3-liter LS engine, paired with Gen 4 connecting rods, flat-top pistons, FIC injectors, a BTR camshaft, and a Phytec intake system. The real highlight is its hidden twin-turbo setup, featuring Turbonetics 62 turbochargers, precision wastegates, and Turbo XS blow-off valves. Engine management is handled by a Holley Terminator X system with a 7-inch digital display, creating a modern performance package inside a classic Fox body platform. The 1989 Mustang belongs to the legendary Fox body generation that was produced from 1979 through 1993. During the late 1980s, these cars became popular thanks to their lightweight construction, rear-wheel drive layout, and excellent aftermarket support. Today, Fox body Mustangs remain among the most affordable American classics capable of producing impressive performance numbers. Compared with rivals such as the third-generation Chevrolet Camaro and Pontiac Firebird from the same era, the Fox body Mustang generally offers a larger aftermarket community and lower modification costs. That is one reason why LS-swapped and turbocharged examples have become increasingly common at drag strips and performance events across the United States. In my opinion, this particular car represents a blend of classic Mustang styling and modern horsepower technology. The Liberty T5 transmission, Wild Rides cage, drag-oriented wheels, and Mickey Thompson radial tires suggest that performance was the primary goal during the build process. While collectors often pay premiums for completely original Fox body Mustangs, modified examples like this appeal to a different market focused on speed and customization. From a classic car market perspective, Fox body values have risen steadily over the past several years. Clean, well-maintained cars continue attracting younger enthusiasts who grew up admiring these Mustangs. At $20,000, this example is priced more as a purpose-built performance vehicle than a stock collector car. For buyers seeking a unique turbocharged street and strip machine, it could represent an interesting opportunity in today's evolving classic Mustang market. Number 2. A beautifully preserved 1966 Ford Mustang Deluxe Coupe, currently listed in Ulysses, Kentucky, for $24,500. Finished in eye-catching poppy red with a distinctive white pony interior, this classic Mustang captures the spirit of mid-1960s American motoring while maintaining a remarkably original appearance. Under the hood is Ford's dependable inline six-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. While many enthusiasts immediately think of V8-powered Mustangs, the six-cylinder models played an important role in the Mustang's success story. Introduced in April 1964, the first-generation Mustang quickly became one of the most successful automotive launches in history, selling more than 1 million units within its first 2 years. Cars like this helped make the Mustang accessible to a wider audience by offering stylish looks, comfortable driving manners, and affordable ownership costs. This particular example stands out because of its deluxe trim package, featuring the desirable white pony interior and center console. According to the seller, the vehicle has been garage-kept, remains rust-free, and has been carefully maintained throughout its life. The original Ford wheels are also included, adding to its authentic classic car appeal. The only noted issues are door locks that require adjustment and a factory-installed air conditioning system that needs repair. Compared with competitors from the same era, such as the Chevrolet Corvair Monza, Plymouth Barracuda, and early Chevrolet Camaro models, the 1966 Mustang continues to enjoy stronger collector demand and significantly greater aftermarket support. Parts availability remains excellent, making restoration and maintenance easier than many competing classics from the 1960s. In my opinion, this Mustang represents the type of classic car that appeals to both collectors and casual enthusiasts. While high-performance V8 models often receive the most attention, well-preserved six-cylinder Mustangs offer a more authentic glimpse into how many Americans actually experienced the Mustang during the 1960s. The combination of the striking red exterior, white pony interior, and overall originality gives this car a timeless elegance that many modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. From a market perspective, first-generation Mustangs continue to perform well among collectors worldwide. Prices for Concours-level V8 examples have risen significantly, causing many buyers to shift their attention toward clean six-cylinder cars like this one. At $24,500, this Mustang appears positioned as a quality driver and show-quality cruiser rather than a high-performance investment vehicle. Considering its condition, originality, and desirable color combination, it could attract buyers looking for a dependable and visually stunning piece of American automotive history. Number 3. A stunning 1987 Chevrolet Square Body pickup, currently listed in Back-halved, Oklahoma, for $32,000. Finished in a vibrant orange exterior with a black interior, this truck represents one of the most beloved generations of American pickups and has reportedly earned multiple show trophies throughout its lifetime. Power comes from Chevrolet's legendary 350 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission. The seller describes the truck as being in immaculate condition, emphasizing its award-winning appearance and exceptional presentation. With a clean title and no significant reported issues, this square body appears to be aimed at collectors and enthusiasts seeking a turnkey classic rather than a restoration project. The Chevrolet Square Body generation, produced from 1973 through 1987, has become one of the hottest segments of the classic truck market. Known for its clean lines, boxy styling, durable construction, and simple mechanical design, these trucks were originally built as dependable workhorses. Decades later, they have evolved into highly desirable collector vehicles that attract attention at car shows, auctions, and classic truck events across the United States. Compared with competitors such as the 1987 Ford F-Series and the Dodge D-Series pickups, the Chevrolet Square Body often enjoys stronger aftermarket support and a larger enthusiast community. While Ford trucks from the same era are respected for their durability, many collectors gravitate toward the Square Body's timeless styling and nearly endless customization possibilities. The 350 V8 also remains one of the most recognized and easily serviced engines in American automotive history. In my opinion, this truck represents the perfect balance between classic utility and show-quality presentation. The bright orange paintwork immediately separates it from many restored trucks that typically wear factory colors. The fact that it has already won numerous show trophies suggests that significant attention has been invested in both its appearance and overall condition. For enthusiasts who enjoy attending car shows, cruise nights, and classic truck gatherings, a vehicle like this offers both visual impact and proven appeal. From a market perspective, square-body Chevrolet trucks have experienced substantial appreciation over the past decade. Clean, rust-free, show-quality examples continue attracting strong interest as collectors increasingly recognize these trucks as icons of American automotive culture. At $32,000, this example is positioned within the premium end of the market, reflecting its condition, presentation, and trophy-winning history. As demand for classic trucks continues to grow, well-preserved square bodies such as this one remain among the most desirable vintage pickups available today. Number 4. A 1972 Chevrolet Camaro, currently listed in Tracy City, Tennessee, for $29,500. Finished in a timeless black-on-black color combination, this second-generation Camaro delivers the aggressive styling and muscle car presence that enthusiasts have admired for decades. Under the hood sits a center-bolt 350 cubic inch V8 equipped with a mild performance camshaft, headers, and Flowmaster exhaust components. Power is sent through a turbo 350 automatic transmission, while power steering helps improve drivability. The car rides on 15-inch American racing wheels wrapped in like new tires, giving it a classic muscle car stance that perfectly complements its early 1970s appearance. The 1972 model year occupies a unique place in Camaro history. Production was significantly affected by labor strikes at Chevrolet's Norwood assembly plant, resulting in fewer cars being built compared to previous years. As a result, many collectors view the 1972 Camaro as one of the more interesting models of the second-generation Camaro lineup. Introduced in 1970, the second-generation Camaro featured a completely redesigned body inspired by European Grand Touring cars, offering a longer hood, lower roofline, and a more sophisticated overall appearance than the first-generation models. Compared with rivals such as the 1972 Ford Mustang Mach-1, Plymouth Barracuda, and Dodge Challenger, the Camaro often strikes a balance between performance, parts availability, and affordability. While e-body Mopars like the Challenger and Barracuda frequently command much higher prices in today's collector market, the Camaro remains one of the most accessible classic American muscle cars for enthusiasts seeking both performance and long-term collectability. In my opinion, this particular Camaro represents what many enthusiasts call a true driver's classic. The seller openly describes it as a nice driver rather than a perfect show car, which can actually be an advantage for buyers who want to enjoy the vehicle without worrying about every minor imperfection. The upgraded engine components, Flowmaster exhaust, and classic wool package suggest that the car has been built to provide an enjoyable driving experience while maintaining its vintage character. From a market perspective, second-generation Camaros have gained considerable momentum in recent years. As prices for first-generation Camaros and rare Mopar muscle cars continue to climb, many collectors are turning their attention toward well-maintained second-generation examples. At $29,500, this Camaro appears competitively priced within today's classic muscle car market. For buyers seeking a stylish V8-powered American icon with room for future appreciation, this Tennessee Camaro could represent a very attractive opportunity. Number 5. A 1965 Ford Mustang, currently listed in Grand Prairie, Texas, for $17,000. This classic pony car is described as a clean, mostly original example featuring Ford's legendary 289 cubic inch V8 engine. Although the air conditioning system is currently not functioning, the vehicle retains desirable factory features such as power steering and maintains what appears to be a solid, rust-free foundation. The seller notes that the car is ready for paint and shows no rust, which is one of the most important factors when evaluating a classic Mustang. Rust repair can be extremely expensive and time-consuming, so finding a structurally sound example often provides a significant advantage for potential buyers. Combined with its original 289 V8, this Mustang offers an appealing starting point for either restoration or continued preservation. The 1965 Mustang occupies a special place in automotive history. Following its introduction in April 1964, the Mustang quickly became a cultural phenomenon and effectively created the pony car segment. Ford's formula was simple but revolutionary: sporty styling, affordable pricing, and a wide range of customization options. The result was one of the most successful vehicle launches ever, with hundreds of thousands of units sold during its first year. Compared with competitors such as the early Chevrolet Corvair Monza, Plymouth Barracuda, and later Chevrolet Camaro models, the Mustang established itself as the benchmark for affordable American performance and style. Today, first-generation Mustangs continue to enjoy one of the largest enthusiast communities in the classic car world, ensuring strong parts availability and widespread restoration support. In my opinion, this Mustang represents an attractive opportunity for someone seeking an honest classic driver with restoration potential. While it may not be a fully restored show car, the combination of an original 289 V8, rust-free body, and relatively affordable asking price creates a compelling package. The non-functioning air conditioning and need for paint work provide room for improvement, but they also allow the next owner to personalize the vehicle according to their own vision. From a market perspective, first-generation Mustangs remain among the most liquid and recognizable collector cars in the United States. Values for high-quality examples have remained strong, while project-friendly cars continue attracting enthusiasts looking to enter the classic car hobby. At $17,000, this Mustang is positioned well below the cost of many fully restored examples, making it an interesting option for buyers who appreciate originality and are willing to invest time and effort into completing the car's next chapter, whether restored to factory specifications or upgraded as a weekend cruiser. This 1965 Mustang continues to embody the timeless appeal that has made the Mustang name one of the most influential brands in automotive history.